Going back to your Easter Sunday, we saw temperatures very close to normal, especially for that low temperature, 27 degrees. Looking at the high, slightly above normal at 53. Now, going into your sunrise and sunset, we're already up to 13 hours and 42 minutes. Nowhere near the record of 83 back in 2002 or -5 that just occurred just 3 years ago. Now, looking at those high temperatures today, we did deal with a cold front, and that pretty much plunged those temperatures down by a good dozen degrees. 37 in Marquette, 35 in Munising, 38 in Houghton. So as you can see towards the shoreline, a little bit into those 30s. As you make your way towards the south, a little bit warmer into those 40s. 43 in Escanaba, 44 in Iron Mountain. Now looking at those winds, we are still dealing with that northerly flow. 6 in Ironwood, 13 in Marquette, a little bit more out of the east at 7 in Iron Mountain, but by tomorrow we will begin to see a shift in those winds. Now looking at what's ahead going to the next couple of days, we are going to reintroduce some rain showers tomorrow with those temperatures beginning to warm up as a new disturbance pushes through the area. Now going into your Wednesday, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies, and then by the time we get towards your Thursday, a little bit more of a question mark. We're going to have a better chance of rain tomorrow, even though it is going to be on the scattered variety. Thursday though, models are still a little bit in conflict if it's going to go north towards us or it's going to stay just a little bit to the south of us. We're just going to be affected with mostly just cloud cover. Now going into tomorrow though, like I previously mentioned, there will be a disturbance pushing through the Midwest. Low pressure pretty much situated into parts of eastern Minnesota. Cold front extending into parts of the Central Plains. Severe weather threat to parts of Illinois and Missouri. For us, mostly just some scattered rain showers. So keep that in mind and have that umbrella with you for your Tuesday. So we're going to be once again in the gloomier side after today. We saw a little bit of snow fall through earlier today. Now you can see though a good amount of clouds stretching through the midweek. And here's on Thursday, this model has it just to the south of us. But right now that could be shifting through the next couple of runs between today, tomorrow, and even going into your Wednesday. So keep that in mind that we could still have another round of rain by the time we get towards your Thursday. Most of it, though, is projected to go through parts of northern lower Michigan where they're going to have the heaviest rain amounts. But for us, though, we still can have a couple of raindrops fall through. For tonight, though, 25 degrees, partly to mostly cloudy. Further west you go, it's going to be more clouds further towards the east. You'll enjoy a little bit more of a quiet time and better chances to see the moon outside, but the winds will already begin to shift as we go into the overnight hours out of the south at 5 miles per hour, but it will be a chilly one though into those mid-20s. Now going into tomorrow, we're going to nicely begin to bounce back with those winds starting to pick up a little bit more out of the south between 10 to 15 miles per hour, but it is going to be an unsettled one with those scattered showers and just those clouds throughout the sky. 50s all around, 51 in Marquette, 56 in Iron Mountain, 54 in Ontonagon, 52 in Houghton. A little bit cooler as you make your way towards Manistee and Escanaba at 49 degrees. But like I previously mentioned, it's going to be about those hit and miss rain showers. Now for tomorrow, though, 6:57 a.m. is your sunrise. About a 30 to 40% chance of rain throughout the entire day. A little bit more better chance of sunshine early on in the morning, but it's going to be very, very brief. Now going into your Wednesday with that next disturbance coming in on Thursday, that's going to increase the cloud cover once again for Wednesday. So limited periods of sunshine becomes a little more common as we go into your Friday and going into the weekend. We'll have a lot more sunshine. Temperatures warming up a little bit more by then as well as we get into those 50s by the time we get towards your Saturday, and just a slight chance of a rain shower on your Sunday.